This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by updating your PS4 and confirming internet access. Go to Settings, then Remote Play Connection Settings, and enable Remote Play. Activate your PS4 as your primary console in account management. Prefer a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network or wired Ethernet for lower latency and stable throughput. Note that Remote Play supports 1080p on PS4 Pro versus 720p on a standard PS4. Keep your PlayStation network credentials ready for device pairing and sign in procedure. Decide whether to use the official Remote Play app or an HDMI capture card. Install the Remote Play app on Windows, Mac OS, Android, or iOS and sign in with your PSN account. For higher fidelity, connect an HDMI cable from PS4 to a capture card and then to your PC for 1080p 60 recording or streaming. Pair your DualShock 4 with the host device using USB or Bluetooth to maintain controller input. Choose Remote Play for convenience and capture cards for professional streaming quality. Optimize settings before you mirror to reduce lag and improve image quality. Use wired Ethernet whenever possible and choose a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band if wired is not available. In the Remote Play app, select standard or high quality depending on your bandwidth and lower resolution if you notice lag. If audio or pairing fails, restart the PS4 and the Remote Play app, then re-authenticate the devices. For capture cards, ensure drivers are updated and set the capture resolution to 1080p 60 or 720.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.